Hey guys, I'm here to show you this beautiful 205 square meter corner lot located at Eastville, Philinvest East Homes, Cainta, Rizal. Check out the details of this lot. So guys, here we are at the corner lot right here. Ayan, makita nyo. Dito sa side na ito, sa street na ito, ito yung palabas and papasok ng subdivision. At the same time, pwede din kayong dumaan dito sa street na to. So either way, same lang naman siya ng papasukan at lalabasan ng subdivision. So dito sa part na ito, we're going here at the lot. Makita nyo yung lupa is patag lang siya. Ayan. So simula dito sa corner ng bahay na yan, sa poste, hanggang doon sa poste na blue dito. Ayan. So yan yung kabuuan ng lote. So guys, perfect ang lot na to kung kayo ay nasa build and sell business. Pwede din to for duplex or for your own residential home. So this lot is minutes away from Eastville swimming pool and clubhouse. May mga nearby basketball courts din dito sa subdivision. And dito sa lugar nito is tahimik ang neighborhood and hindi rin binabaha. And dahil along Marcos Highway lang yung subdivision, sobrang dali lang papuntang nearby cities like Marikina, Pasig, Antipolo, and more. Kung may family member naman kayo na commuter, hindi kayo na mahihirapan dito dahil pwede kayo magpatawag ng tricycle mula sa mga guards palabas ng subdivision. At mula doon, marami ng mga jeep going places like Rizal and Marikina. And sobrang lapit lang dito yung LRT station Antipolo. So, malapit din dito yung SM Masinag and Ayala Feliz and Santa Lucia, SM Marikina. So, hindi na kayo mamamblema sa mga necessities na kailangan ninyo. So guys, I do hope you love this lot for your residential home or for your build and sell townhouse. So don't hesitate to message us about this property and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next ride.